Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every video, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and in the daily, because today we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the weekly because the weekly candle is finished. And if you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video to choose depending your trading style. But my advice to you is to watch the video from the start till the end to know exactly where is the Bitcoin going. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here today, the weekly candle it's finished here in that zone. As you see it here, over here, that one here, it's telling us that red candle here, that is an indecision candle, and there is no power to break that level here yet. The level me I'm talking about is the one, as you see it, that level here. Till now we couldn't break it again. Yes, we go back from the FTX collapse. That one here, that red candle here, we go back till here. So people they enter from here till here, they making very nice profit till now. And over here now we try to give us here like a head and shoulder, a big head and shoulder here. As you see it, you see it very clear. You just came here, you change it from candles to lines like that. As you see it now, very clear head and shoulder now. Look with me here, that the first shoulder. Over here, that the head, I'm not drawing on top of it. And over here, that the second shoulder. As you see it, the neckline of that one, you can come and you do it like that. So till now it couldn't break here the neckline. So till now there is nothing new here. And you got another price action pattern here. Got a very clear megaphone here. Look at it here, as you see it. And you see here in the line chart, we couldn't break here that level here. So that one is very clear price action pattern. So till now in the weekly here, there is nothing yet. And I'm going to show you something else here in the weekly. Let's see it together. If you remember what else we said that 2 weeks ago, I think, when the 50 moving average crossed below the 200 moving average here, and the week it finished like that. So all that will happen in here, it happened in the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average here. So now we need to wait and more. Either the market to come and to break for us that last low here, or to go back to break here. So till now here in the weekly, there is nothing yet. We need to wait and more what's going to happen in the coming day. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week to get a clear picture for you. What is it there? So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for all the week. As you see it, what we got here today, we got here durable goods order of USA. Then we got pending home sales. That too, they got big impact to the economic. And the forecast here for the durable goods order is going to come positive. The previous one, it used to be minus 0.2. And that one here, the forecast it's showing is going to come 0.1. That one's something good for US economic. Then here, pending home sales is going to fall down. And that one is the big dilemma for US economic is the houses or the housing sector. That one is the biggest problem for all the US economic. Then what we got else? And Tuesday, 28th of February, we got consumer confidence or CBI of USA. Even that one, you need to make a close eye at it. The forecast here it's showing is going to come positive 108. Because the previous one, it used to be 107. When consumers, they still have confidence and they still have money to buy. And that the Fed doesn't want that. That means there is more hiking of interest rate coming. Even that one, you need to look at it very well. Plus, in Wednesday, the 1st of March, because that month is got only 28 days, we got that one at 3 o'clock, the ISM services or the ISM, let's make it like that. That one is very huge. ISM manufacturing is something you need to look at it. And what it's showing here, the forecast it's showing is going to come 48, and the previous one it used to be 47. That means US economic or manufacturing is getting better, because that one is only focused about manufacturing. So that one it's showing to us manufacturing is getting better, and US economic it started getting better a little bit, but not yet. It needs to cross above 50 for US economic to go back to healthy, because now if you go to the ISM services or ISM website, you're going to find it it's slowing now. So that's what it's showing here, but it needs to go back. That means here it's came or it's pivoting. Let's make it like that. Then we got crude oil inventory. That one no one care about it. Then in Tuesday, 2nd of March, we got CPI of the Eurozone. Then we got initial jobless claim of USA. All those ones you need to make a close eye at them. Then we got the ECB or the European Union interest rate, as you see it. Then in Friday, we got ISM non-manufacturing for USA. So we got a huge week because the start of the month, so you need to be focused about what's going to happen in the market. I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make it very long here. So now let's go into see in the daily what is it there for picture to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Yesterday in yesterday video, me I told you, guys, it's the right time for you to buy. Some people they being criticized me. One, he said the Bitcoin is going to go to 3,000. Then me I told him, no, you waited at $1. Yeah, it's better for you. And my advice to you, don't even enter to the market. That's the best things you can do. Over here, what else we said? We said here, we got a very clear flag here, like that, as you see it. And the Bitcoin is showing here a big power here in that level here. And today close green. Even that one you need to be focused about it, because if you came from down here and you try to connecting those dots from down here and you came and you connecting those dots together like that, what you got here? You got a trend line like that. Even here it's being touched again, as you see it. So either from here it's going to go back up, because if you came here and you show it like that, as you see what we got here, the moving average 50 cross above the 200. Until now it's showing every time it came to it, it's bouncing up. So till now we don't have nothing new here. And here you can make even, I'll show you even that one, you can make even a wage like that. Let me show it to you. And here you can make even like that, like a wage like that. You came to those dots and you're connecting them together like that. So till now here in the daily there is no breaking either up here or either down here. So here there is nothing yet. The entry was from here till up, because all our indicators they showing to us the Bitcoin is bottom. The only thing it's still the weekly and the monthly candle, it's need to finish it, because the monthly candle is it in the 50 moving average. Even that one you need to make a close eye at it. So maybe there is a correction going to come. No one will say no. There is a correction going to come, but tell where. Me personally I think it's going to come just tell here to 20k or something. Then after that we're going back up, because that level is very stronger level. And as you see it, it's showing here a big power here. And even if you came here to the volume, that way me I told you yesterday you need to buy. If you came here to the volume, look with me here in that place where it started falling. Look at the volume down. It's very flat compared to here when the big whales they started pushing up here in that level. And even the buyers here, they are not powerful yet. All the buyers they still waiting. That's why you need to be focused about those things. As you see it, look here, look down here, there is no power. Even if we zoom it there, let's zoom it together and we see it. As you see it, the volume here is very, very low. There is no big volume compared to here. As you see it, compared to here. Look here and look here in that place of today. As you see it. So even that one, you need to be focused about it. That way also we started telling you guys, started DCA, because you are in a level. It's a very nice level. Don't buy all your account. Instead, you got $1 million. Don't enter and buy all the $1 million. Start buying slowly by slowly, buying small chunks of Bitcoin or small chunks of money every time. Let's make it 1 week, once every Sunday, every day, depending on you, what you're doing. Like if you remember when we used to be here, me I used to tell you, me I'm buying every day. Now here, I'm not buying every day. Over here, I'm buying once a month, because I don't know what's going to happen. Either it's going to go more higher or it's going to drop again. Because over here now I'm buying once a month. Over here I used to buy once a day. So even you do the same thing. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Remember that over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What we said here, I told you like that, and I give you that picture even in my Telegram channel. By the way, if you want to join us, you can join us. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Over there, we discussed with the people and those things. And here in YouTube, we put the pictures for you in the community tab, so you choose where you want. Over here, I told you when it's breaking here, we need to enter long, and that's what it done here. It's breaking here, as you see it. Over here, exactly. Look at it. Over here, that candle here, which is going that one, it's breaking here that wage we used to have. And that one, the take profit of it is here at the last high over here. But you, if you enter, you stop loss of you, it need to be down here at that level here. That way, if you enter, I'm talking here just about swing trading. I'm not talking about long term or something. If you enter long from that level here, stop loss, it need to be down here. Take profit of you, it need to be up here. Everything is too clear. And also here, now we are stuck in that level here. Look at it. We got here a very stronger support here. And me, I don't want to tell you the numbers because depending you where you analyze. Me over here, as you see it, I'm analyzing for you in the Bitcoin US dollar index. That way it doesn't follow any platform. But if you go now to Binance, you're going to find that level here. It's got another number compared to here. So you learn to do it by yourself. Look with me here, what me had done. As you see it, we got here a very stronger supply and demand zone. Now we go back to it here. Now either from here is going to fall down and to break for us the last low here. If it done that, we need to close that long and we will open another short because us, if you remember people they begin with also we enter short from here. From here exactly we enter the short. Second chance we give it to you from here when it's breaking here. And now it give us here the market will go up, but that candle which is finished now, it give us here a indecision candle or a doji here. Maybe that one is going to fall down more. So even that one you need to be focused about it because if you're looking with me now, the Bitcoin it try to give you here like a down channel here as you see it. Even that one if it came and breaking up here, maybe it's going to go up or maybe from here it's going to fall down again here. For swing trading you need to be always ready for those things and you need to be that your job, not investor. For investors you just buy and you lift it because over here why it happened like that, because over here you got a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. When it touched here, the market go up, but now over here, it's showing he couldn't break that level again, that level here, as you see it, from here and here. So maybe it's going to fall down again to here, or maybe it's going to break it and to go up. But me, I think we are going to go back again. Then over here, we're going to see if it's going to give us another price action indicating the market is going to go up or no. So till now, you need to wait in. And if you enter with us from here, you need to use stop loss. That's how is it the trading. There is nothing 100%. If anyone he tell you, is it 100%, don't follow him. Also, we analyze for you. When is it right, we enter long. When is it not? When we make mistakes, we tell it to you. But till now, there is no mistake. As you see it, also we make it like that. When it's breaking here, over here, we enter long. We put stop loss. Maybe that one is a fake out. Then the market is going to go back again. Even that one is possible, guys. So you need to be focused about those things I'm telling you here. Now let's go into see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, also we used to have here a divergence, that big one. And we show you even the last video, we got here a hidden divergence. We're still talking here only about swing trading, not long-term investing. We show you here, we got a hidden divergence and even that one is breaking down. That indicating the market detail going down to the oversold area over here. And here what we got, we used to have here a downtrend like that. That downtrend here, it's showing it's getting broke. Same thing like how is it in the chart. But till now here, in our indicator, it doesn't show into us the market changing from downtrend to an uptrend. If you look in here, also we are just touching here that wall. So now we need to wait in either the market to fall down again or the market to break up and to go up. And even here, look with me here, we've got a very stronger supply and demand zone here or a very stronger support here as you see it. And even here, that way you see that one is go back up. Now we're going to see if the market is going to go back up or no. And there is no momentum in the market. That the big dilemma here. There is no momentum in the market. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we used to be here at the oversold area. And we waiting. Second thing we used to looking for is a very stronger level. And we used to have one, as you see it. Because look at it, if you break it from here, here, and even here it touch, it's showing here. The market is reversing up, as you see it. And another thing, we used to have here a price action because that one is the most important. Also, we don't enter because of the level or our indicator. Also, we enter because we used to have here the triangle or that symmetric triangle. It's getting broke here. So also we enter here long and we put in the stop loss down. If the market go up till here, fair enough. If it doesn't and fall down and hitting the stop loss, also we're going to go out and we're looking for another opportunity. And my advice to you, I'm going to give it to you like that. If that one came down and break it lower here and hitting for the stop loss, open a short position over here and you put the stop loss here and take profit. It's going to be down here at that level here. But the Bitcoin, it will not move that much, only to 20k if it fall down that much. And if it go up, it's going to go back only here to 24k. So the Bitcoin it will not move, and I'll show you all that in the options when I analyzed for you the option yesterday. Now let's go in to see what is it in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. What me I told you here yesterday, I told you like that. Make it like that. Me I remember it very well because me I entering it and then I told you here in those lowers here. I told you if the market breaking here, interlock and that what it done exactly. And me, I enter in it. I can even put for you pictures if you want. I enter from here exactly. Till here. I just close the orders now because today is Sunday open. And why me I close it? I close it because here, if you look in here, what we got here, a very stronger support here for a resistance. That's why me I close it. Now here, what we got? Here in that level here, what we got? Look with me what we got here. We got here an uptrend. You see me how I draw it from here, here, and here. If that one came and break a lower here, we will enter short. Remember that. Look how I will draw it again. Like that. If that one came and break a lower here, breaking that just the trend line here, I'm going to enter short. Take profit for that one. It's going to be here down. Why here down? Because tomorrow is Monday, and Monday, as I've been teaching you thousands of times, the market is always doing against what is going to do all the week. So you need to remember that. Monday, always the market doing against what is going to do all the week. So if it came the market and break a lower here, that meant all the week we're going to go up. If the market break up and go back to the 24, that meant all the week we're going to fall down. And you need to remember that. So here, I show you everything now. Over here, you have here that trend line here. It's very close to break it. If it's break it now, you enter short here. Take profit for that one here. If you haven't entered from here and the market came down and break a lower here, you can enter short again from here. It's our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, people they enter with us from down here. That's why I close my orders. Then I came here to register for you. Even you, if you enter from down over here, will have you close some or a part of your order. But me, I using bots and those things, so I need to close a lot of orders because they used to be open a lot. That way I close them before I came here to register, and that things it need to be open. So here now our indicator is it here at the overbought area. So technically what we need to looking for a short level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it here. Third thing, what is it? We need a price action. Price action you got here, that uptrend here. If it came that one here and breaking here, you can enter short again. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now.